Hi everyone, welcome to your journey towards the mastering the Golang. In this video, we will guide you through the comprehensive roadmap for the mastering the Golang from basic to advanced concept. Whether you are just starting or aiming to refine your skills, this roadmap has something for everyone. And let's dive in. So first, let's start with the basic of Go. We will cover the setting up the development environment, understanding the goals, unique project structure, grasping the foundational concepts like Go root, Go path, and Go modules. Then afterwards, we will setting up the environment involves the configuring Go on your system, writing and running the Go files, and managing the dependencies efficiently using the Go models. We will also explore how to use the Go playground for the quick experiment. Next, let's go over the core programming concept. We will learn about the declaring the variable, constants, data types, and then afterwards we will using the loops like a for and range and conditional loops and handling the error gracefully with the goes error type. Mastering this will form the backbone of your programming journey. Then afterwards we will understand the goes data structure is critical for solving the real world problems. We will explore the array slices for working with the collection of data, maps, stocks for the modeling the complex data types, interfaces for the implementing the polymorphism, and designing the flexible code. Now let's move to intermediate concepts. Go simplicity, science in the concurrency, and we will cover the core routines for lightweight concurrency programming, channels for the safe communication between the core routines, the select statement to handle the multiple channel operation efficiently. And this is where the Go's true power comes to life. Package and modules are essential for organizing your projects. We will learn about the how to create and import the custom packages, and we will following the best practices for the modular development using the Go modules and using the built-in libraries like appmt for formatting, OS for file handling, uh, the net HTTP for building the web application, IO for input output operation, and then afterwards we will cover the advanced topics like writing the unit test cases and benchmark for the robust code and profiling the memory usage and performs with the tools like pproof and leveraging the reflection to the inspect type at a runtime using the generics to write a reusable and type safe code. Then afterwards take the concurrency to the next level with the advanced patterns like implementing the worker pools for the efficient task management, applying the rate limiting to the control resource usage, using the context package for the managing the timeouts and cancellation and request scopes. And then afterwards we will apply the skills with the practical projects like build the basic web server using the NAT HTTP. Then afterwards, we will create the REST API with the JSON handling and authentication, integrate with the database like a PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and Redis for the robust data storage. And then afterwards, we will dive into the microservice architecture, and we will use the gRPC and protocol buffers for the efficient communication and set up the observability with the Prometheus for the metrics and Grafana for the dashboards. Then afterwards, we will ensure that your service are scalable, and we will write the clean code. We will explore the different kind of a design patterns like conditional pattern we will use for the singleton and factory. Then afterwards, we will create the structural pattern. We will use for the adapter and decorator pattern. Then afterwards, we will create the behavioral patterns for strategy and observer pattern, and we will apply the practices using the in practical projects. Then afterwards we will also learn about the deploying the uh, code with the DevOps tools like Docker and Kubernetes. We will use the containerize your application with the Docker, deploy at a scale using the Kubernetes cluster. Then afterwards we will also automate the CI/CD pipelines using of the uh, development and deployment, using in a deployment and development. Then afterwards um, we will also focus on that part of that deployment process on the AWS and GCP and Azure if it is possible. Then afterwards we will also check that we will write the how we can write the best practices using of the Go code, idiomatics Go code, and with the solid foundation in the Go, you are ready to tackle the advanced challenge and build the powerful application. Whether it is a web development, microservices, or system programming, Go opens the doors to endless possibilities. Keep coding, keep learning, keep growing, and happy coding. Enjoy the video. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on Go and other programming topics. See you in the next one.